I have seen a lot of organization. I'm a corporate trainer and coach. बहुत सारे दावे करते हैं विजन के, मिशन के, लेकिन very rarely I've seen that they are living their mission and their vision in their cultures, in their organizations. अल-हिजरा में, क्योंकि मैं एक टाइम से अटैच हूँ हिजरा के साथ, अनफॉर्चुनेटली ब्रदर उस्मानी, अब्दुर्रहमान उस्मानी जो कंट्री डायरेक्टर हैं यहाँ के, उनके साथ मेरा थोड़ा बहुत टाइम गुजारने का मुझे मौका मिला, तो थोड़ा बहुत मुझे अल-हिजरा के फैब्रिक्स का पता था। लेकिन यहाँ आके देखा मैंने, वहाँ पे एक बात करने की थी, मैंने पढ़ा पेपर्स में और सर्च अल-हिजरा ऑन इंटरनेट, लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस करने का मौका नहीं मिला था। अल-हिजरा का नारा था इंसानियत, इस्लामियत, इंसानियत और पाकिस्तानियत। बड़ा शौक़ था कि इस चीज़ को मैं प्रैक्टिस में देख सकूं, और यकीन माने मेरी काफ़ी सारी मशगूलियात थीं जिसको मैंने नज़रअंदाज कर आया हूँ, सिर्फ ये देखने के लिए कि आर दे लिविंग व्हाट दे सेइंग। यहाँ पे आया हूँ तो मुझे जिस तरह वेलकम किया गया और जिस तरह डील किया गया हमारे साथ, मैं एक दो नाम लूँगा, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं किसी को इग्नोर कर रहा हूँ या किसी को रिकग्नाइज नहीं कर रहा हूँ या अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर रहा हूँ। Everybody has talked about the students, but I want to go behind because that's where I was focusing on. I want to see that, are they living this vision? Are they living this passion from top to bottom, or they're just talking about in papers, whether in its electronic or print? I have seen Pakistanis and Mr. Tariq when he's talk about Quaid-e-Azam, when he talks about Pakistan, और उनका जो passion मैंने देखा है, it's not about to say something in words, his facial expressions, his body was speaking about his heart. And believe me, I've seen a lot of leaders in the organization, they talk about a lot of big jargons, but I never seen them living the passion. I seen that man when he talks about, he took us to residency of Quaid, and how he took us from, he said, I'm your guide, I'm taking you tour of the Quaid's residency. And how he took us, his body was speaking, not he was speaking from his mouth. And I think that is the passion, and that is the vision speak to, and it was oozing from every part of his body. And I can feel the energy which was radiating from his body when he was talking about Pakistaniyat. I see in Islamiyat as well, in Al-Hijra. When I get into this very limited space for prayer, hardly we can adjust ourselves with the shoulder to shoulder and feet to feet in that space. And it was full, that 2 rooms with the Isha prayer. And Mahmoud और Ayaz दोनों आके एक ही सफ में खड़े हुए मुझे नजर आए. So I seen that Islamiyat. और यही नहीं था, मेरा था कि ये ठीक है, हुज़ूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की हदीस है कि, और एक नाम है कि मुसलमान उस वक्त जाग उठेंगे जब उनकी इशा और फजर की प्रेयर में एक ही तरह की गैदरिंग होगी. And let me cry for that I seen that at Hijra. I seen that display at Hijra, that they were full of the 2 room, and even in a gallery and outside in the corridor, I seen they were standing and praying the Isha prayer, and the same number was there at a Fajr prayer. And that was the Islam in real practice. I've seen it. And I can tell you that nobody can defeat us now, because you are living what you're saying. And I seen Insaniyat as well. I seen Insaniyat in Brother Azim. His name is Azim, but when he serves, ब्रदर अजीम है यहाँ पे, जिस तरह उन्होंने हमें सर्व किया है। हर किसी ने शायद नोटिस किया हो कि यहाँ पे बच्चों की तरबियत होती है, लेकिन मेरा फोकस था जो तरबियत कर रहे हैं, हाउ दे आर डूइंग दैट जॉब, देयर जॉब। एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह थुम्मा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आई सीन दैट not in the students only, the team of Al-Hijra. And the least, but not last, I want to mention Brother Saqib. I met him in UK in one of a gathering, and of course I heard him in there as well. It was his opening, he was a keynote speaker in that ceremony. और उसके बाद थोड़ी सी इंट्रैक्शन हुई थी मेरी उनके साथ, लेकिन इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं। But at this tour, which started from Islamabad airport, and he started with this vision, what he's about, and I was not knowing about what the Hijra and why he started Hijra, and I was thinking it's another commercial project, because education is now selling in a street. लेकिन उनका जो विजन था और जिस तरह उन्होंने मुझे ब्रीफ किया, और सबसे एक चीज़ जो मैं मेंशन कर रहा था, when we arrived in Kuwait, we've been to one of our friends' residence before coming to Al-Hijra. And before that, I was taking Brother Saqib as a scholar. I didn't know that he's a scholar, or as just a chairman or somebody. But when he mentioned one of the, I would say, एक वाक़या उन्होंने बयान किया वहाँ पे, एक बहुत बड़े आलिम दीन के साथ उनका जो टाइम गुजरा उसमें, and then I know the depth of that person, that who I am with. I'm really feeling very privileged to standing here and spending some time with you. You are great people, and you are really a ray of the future and hope. And thank you very much for accepting us for here. And I can, from here, standing here, with a public declaration, anything in my capacity I can do, I will do for Hijra. Thank you very much.